Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a choc bottom banana berry dessert smoothie, which is full of strawberries, which are a wonderful fruit. They're actually a great choice if you do have diabetes because they are lower in sugar than many other fruits. They're also low GI, and they will help you regulate blood sugar, and they're very high in antioxidants. So this smoothie is actually a dessert in a glass, and it's great if you don't know whether to choose a dessert or a drink and you want both, but you know probably one's enough. So this will satisfy all of that. So first we need a 1/4 cup of chopped dark chocolate. Make sure it's low sugar, 70% cacao, and if you do that then you'll have a great healthy chocolate that is high in antioxidants as well, and my favourite ingredient of course. So just put it into a heat-proof glass, because we're going to add 1 tablespoon of boiling water. I've just boiled the water, so I'll put 1 tablespoon in. So just let that sit there for a couple of minutes, and then you just stir it until it's smooth. So the chocolate's done. I'm just going to put this into the freezer just while we blend the smoothie. Okay, so now we'll start the smoothie. I've got a cup of chopped up strawberries and 1/2 cup of chopped frozen banana. And just add just about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a great spice for blood sugar, and a cup of almond milk. And as long as you use unsweetened almond milk, it won't raise blood sugar. It's also nutritious and it is low in fat. So I'll just put a cup of almond milk in. Just enough in there. Right, now this just gets blended till it's smooth. So I've just taken it out of the freezer, it's just a little firmer. So now I'll just pour the smoothie mix on top. Okay, to finish it off, you could just put a little more chocolate onto the top, however much you like. I like quite a lot actually. And then maybe you could add some chopped strawberries as well. And just to top it off with a little sprinkling of cinnamon. And there we have delicious choc bottom banana berry dessert smoothie. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.